cam motion. See, I told you guys wrong, man. I said Texas speed. It's cam motion.
Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah boy we stock them up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon. Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah boy we stock them up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon.
Swaps and stuff.
What up, what up, what up, what's happening? Part 3. I said I was going to do this off camera. Well, we're still on camera. By the way, this does have the muscle car pan on it. Don't ask me why. I thought there was a must that we had to do to clear the A-body frame. And, but it worked. So, that's what's going down with that. This cam, if you look at the, I mean, it's looking a little scar in there. I can't say that I did it when I was pulling it out because it's not dry, but it does look like it's got some marks on it. Like, you know what I mean? You can tell it's been used. You can tell. You can tell. So, got him out. Stock cam is out. I say don't look at the cam bearings, but I'm looking. This is a Gen 3. You can look in there and see. Hold on, let's see if I can get you. See the rods? Looks to be a Gen 3 style. I'm gonna go get the other cam now. Get y'all the information on it. Well, I'll give you some numbers on it. And then, as far as the spec goes, I guess you could look it up. Again, my plan is at least get the cam in. I forgot. Man, for you guys out there doing these swaps, man, this right here is a very important piece. Don't put the old one on. Go ahead and get a new one, because you see this is a gasket, and as you put it on, that gasket is flat. So get a new one. That's what I'm gonna do. Get a new one. I'm pretty upset that I didn't plan ahead and get a new one. But let me go get this cam. Alright, here's another thing that I use to put these bad boys together. It's old, I had it a while, but it's still good, baby. Throwing these engines together, you know what I mean? Cleveite, bearing guard. I would dress the cam up in this, and then put it in the engine. But we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this cam out. Let y'all look at the numbers on it, and like I said, this is a cam that was spec'd for 6.0 with an S480. Now this is a 6.0 with an S475. Hope I told y'all right. And it is used, so. You know what I mean? It is a used cam. Cam motion. See, I told you guys wrong, man. I said Texas speed. It's cam motion. XA226356 230 352, or is that 350? 350 09 plus 3. Cam motion. So this is what we're going with. I'm gonna go ahead and get it open, put some grease on it. All right. Yeah, it's got grease on it, but I'm gonna put more on it. Let's see what we got. Gen 3 rods, which, you know, telltale sign, if you guys don't know, is these valley cover bolts, 10mm head, and then your exhaust manifold bolts. And both of those are 10mm. They say it's a telltale sign that you have Gen 3 internals. Just so I can balance it a little better. I should already do that. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. I got a set of training horns right here. They're huge and they're loud. Very, very loud. There we go. So I can leverage it better with the bolts. Spinny, 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 spinny. So little spinny boy. Before this video comes out, I'm gonna run the numbers on this cam, see what kind of power it can produce and the power range it can produce. I'm upset with myself because I had another one of those covers and I used it on Birthday Brown and I held on to it for this purpose because I knew that I was going to be doing this one day. And hold on to my grease. Now I'm gonna have to find a place to put my oil return part. That would just straight up pump it. You know, turn it on, pump, and then pump it back into the top of the motor through a valley cover or through a valve cover. Or taking drill and tap this little cover here. Drill and tap the cover. I'm gonna put a dab of silicone in each corner right here. I'm gonna clean this up just like everything else. This gasket's gotta go. Because for one, all the rubber, see how the rubber just stayed? It's breaking, you know, I can't even, it's breaking up. So that tells you how long it's been in there. The oil pan is new, like I said, newer. That was put on whenever the motor was swapped. And lifters, put them in lifter trays, drop them in position, bolt down the lifter tray, and come back with my emery cloth and my clean rag and a razor. Scrape the block, scrape the heads. I did find my paint, so black. I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, hit all this with some degreaser. Every last bit of it. So I'm not gonna do none of that until at least I get heads on this thing. So I don't want none of that trash going either. I've sprayed it with WD and I cover it up with a tarp. Cover it with a tarp. I just got to remember to get both my studs, my locators. They both came out when I pulled the heads. One here, one in that back corner. Man, next video we should be, well, later on in this video, we should be dropping some heads on, and we should be dropping some studs in. You know, we'll put the studs in first. Like I said, this is not a high horsepower build, especially after seeing the Gen 3 rods in it. You know, the whistle noise, whistle gang, baby, of course, smoke rolling, and you know, see what we can come up with. Trying to make something happen. Know the engine's dirty, like I said. I'm gonna hit it with the degreaser. Matter of fact, I should hit it with some now and let it all drain. But
what up, good people? Check it out. For your chance to get a free swaps, whistle gang, or boost, or just a shirt, a free shirt. For your chance to get a free shirt, name this part. ODB, you are excluded. Sorry.
like I said, I do it all at one time. I've run out of daylight. I did a 6.0 once before. This whole setup I've done before, but in a different and smaller type of application as far as canvas. The cam was bigger, I'm sorry. We had 317 heads with dual valve springs, hard and push rods, same turbo that I plan on using here. But that's and it made good power, so I'm just not looking for that kind of power out of this engine by no means. By no means. Worst come to worst, something happened to this, guess what I got? Put a 5.3 in here and do the same thing. And turn it up. Why? Because it's a flat top, 243 heads, Gen 4 rods, all aluminum. You know, turn him up. Turn him up. Man, if y'all like these videos, man, give me a thumbs up. Let me know. I'm not, like I said, I'm not a how-to channel. I'm passing on a little bit of information that I heard somewhere. You may correct me if I'm wrong on some things, because I don't know everything. But I do know that 5.3, 6.0s, and 4.8s work.